Welcome to Econometrics by Richard. I want to show you the tools that are actually needed for econometry. I think if you get these econometric tools, you can do a lot of things when it comes to research and so whatnot. Number one, I think you need on your list either you have EViews, this EViews 10, but this actually uh, old kind of EViews. It's a very interesting one. If you stand, this is actually from IMF. This is actually the course material for those who are interested in learning some macroeconomic diagnostics. I think the IMF course has it. Uh, the other one, the other two, this latest EViews 14, I think it's sponsored by S&P Global, and this is their tool. Um, yeah, also it's a very interesting one. A very interesting one. It has the command box, and also yeah, you can move your command box, and this is the workspace. And also another tool, economic tool, I think you also need is the Stata. Mostly, if you're interested in, like the EViews are those who are interested in um, if you're interested in time series analysis, I think EViews does it very well. Most times, your VAR analysis, ALDLs, OLS, and sometimes I like using EViews for structural VAR analysis. Also, Stata is also good if you want to do panel analysis. It's actually a good work file. Uses a lot of codes. So you run your codes, you get your data sets. This is where you see your variables. It's actually a nice workspace. It's actually interesting to use it. Then the next two I think you actually need is the R. R is actually another nice. This is the console. Let me open the. This is actually the console. This is actually the console. Where's the R? I think what I opened was just the console. Don't think of did I download it? Okay, yeah, look at it. R, sorry. So that was the console. The R Studio. It's a very interesting, very good, and I think it's easy to get. When you have issues, they have what they call CRAN. You can go there and source for information, and it's a very easy to get. You don't have to pay, but for the EViews, I think you have to pay to get EViews. Arrow, you don't have to pay. Use a lot of codes. You can run the codes. You can get the codes from people that publish the papers using Arrow. It's a very interesting one. I actually published the paper using this Arrow. I think it's a very interesting. I put a lot of people using Arrow to reviews, but Arrow it is easy to get actually, and it is also convenient. Very good in most structural analysis and. You can do panel analysis on it. Just get your code, and I think it's also friendly. But you use a lot of codes. That's what R is. And then the next one is the MATLAB. MATLAB is very interesting. A very interesting economic tool, and it's a very it has different kinds of that kinds of variants like what I mean like the year you can have 2018 model, but the one I have here is 2023A. It has different models, and they're very nice. Also uses codes. They're very nice. I do love DSGs, QPM models, quantile projection models. You can do your structural vowels too. I keep saying structural vowels because when you want to do your policy, you get to use structural vowels. You can do panel like the global var. MATLAB uses it. Now, we keep talking about sensitivity analysis. There are a lot of new recent analysis that is coming into economics. And MATLAB, through their MathWorks, you can get a lot of lectures that will help you to build yourself. I think MATLAB is actually is also a great tool you can also use. So I think with this, if you have knowledge of these tools, you get a long way to do a lot of things. Thank you for listening.